Here are some steps to accept, check, and reject a client connection request on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into tool44.com. 2. Once you're logged in, look for the double user icon on the right side of the navbar at the top. Click on this icon. 3. A drop-down menu will appear from the drop-down menu. Click on the Connections icon. 4. In the Connections section, you will see a list of the latest and newest connection requests at the top. If you want to see all connection requests, click on See All Connections. 5. On the connection request page, you will find the list of connection requests you have received. 6. For each new connection request, you have two options, accept or reject. To accept a connection request, click on the Accept button or a similar option. To reject a connection request, click on the Reject button or a similar option. Note: if the user who sent the request withdraws it before you accept or reject it, the request will no longer be available. 7. Once you accept a connection request, you will be able to see the contact details of the user who sent the request. Similarly, the user who sent the request will be able to see your contact details as well. By following these steps, you can check, accept, and reject a user's connection request on tool44.com. It's important to consider your preferences and requirements before accepting or rejecting connection requests. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.